What's up, Al?
What's up? What you doing?
Bugging people?
Bugging people? You don't let me go?
Yeah.
Why'd you search your stuff though?
Huh?
Why'd you search your stuff? You know what? It's none of my business.
Why,
It's none of my business to ask.
why
It's none of my business to ask. I just recording. That's how.
I just couldn't hear you because of the loud truck.
I know. It's a hot day. It's actually 86 today.
You gotta take your disguise off. You gotta take your hoodie off.
Not today. Not right now though.
It's too hot. Alright, Al, you have a good day, alright?
Alright. Hey, were you here last night?
What's up?
Was you here last night? No.
Was it crazy or what?
No, actually, it was in Colton. I got a police vehicle unit involved in an accident.
Dang.
Colton on Pepper and San Bernardino.
You put him on blast, huh?
Yeah, they didn't like me very well.
Alright, Al.
All right.